Cleaning a fish tank is essential for maintaining a healthy environment for your fish. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you clean your tank effectively. First, gather your supplies: a fish net, algae scraper, siphon or gravel vacuum, bucket, and water conditioner. Before you start, turn off all electrical equipment like filters and heaters. Next, use the fish net to remove any uneaten food or debris from the surface of the water. Then, scrape the sides of the tank with an algae scraper to remove any algae buildup. Now it's time to clean the substrate. Use a siphon or gravel vacuum to remove about 10–20% of the water and clean the gravel. Move the vacuum through the gravel to suck up waste and debris while leaving the gravel in place. After that, refill the tank with fresh water. Make sure to treat it with a water conditioner to remove chlorine and other harmful chemicals before adding it back into the tank. Finally, turn on your filter and heater. Check that everything is working properly. Regular cleaning every 1 to 2 weeks will keep your fish tank healthy and your fish happy.